Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today I'm going to show you how to make my new favorite special morning drink. It is a Ginger Mocha Maca Latte, which is kind of a mouthful to say, but it is a delicious mouthful. I've been trying to incorporate maca into my mornings because I have read a little bit about how healthy it is. I am not going to dive into health claims here, but you're free to look those up on your own, and I'll link to an article about maca and health in the blog post about this recipe, so you can look at that too if you want to see what got me interested. If you've also been wanting to try maca, this is a super easy way to do it. I've been using this hot drink to replace my second cup of coffee in the morning, so that's been nice, kind of dialing back the caffeine, but I don't feel like I'm giving up that like special hot drink in the middle of the morning. To make your latte, you just do it right in your blender, and then you'll warm it up. You can either warm it up on the stove or in the microwave. Don't get mad at me for saying microwave. You don't have to use yours if you don't want to. The first thing you need is regular vegan milk. Do not use unsweetened for this recipe. There are no sweeteners added to the blender, so you want a milk that's a little bit sweetened. So this is just regular soy milk because that's what my family drinks. You can use regular almond or cashew or whatever vegan milk, whatever vegan milks you like. The next thing you're gonna add is 1.5 teaspoons of maca powder. Maca is a little bit bitter, and so you might want to start with a teaspoon and bump it up to 1.5 teaspoons over a few days. It's up to you. It depends on how bitter you like your drinks. The next thing we're going to add is cocoa powder. This is just 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. And then we're going to bring a little bit of heat by adding just 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. If spicy is not your thing, you can reduce this to 1/8 teaspoon, or you can even leave it out, although I think it adds a really nice special kick to this drink. So that's all of the ingredients. From here, we're just going to blend to get all those powders incorporated into the milk. And that should be enough. This is a high-speed blender, so it's pretty quick. If you have a regular blender, just let it go for a little bit longer because you don't want a powdery drink. That's not delicious. So you can either pour this into a little saucepan and warm it up on the stove. You can actually drink it cold if you want, but to replace coffee, I like it to be a hot drink. So I just transfer it right to my mug, and I would heat it up in the microwave. And that's it. Enjoy.